All right, let's show you how to make an ebook, a full ebook in less than 10 minutes. So I'm in the BookGen dashboard, and on this ebook title input, I'm going to put the title of my book, and I want to write about Carlos Alcaraz, the tennis player. So let's go Carlos Alcaraz, rising star. I get to choose the number of chapters. Let's make this a small book, 5. Get to choose the number of subchapters. Let's make this 3. And then the model, I'm going to choose GPT-4. So I like all these settings. I'm going to hit generate. And it says my ebook's being created, and we're going to get an email when it's ready. So I'm going to pause the video now, and I'm going to restart it once the book is good to go.
A few moments later.
Okay, the book is ready. Here it says completed status. So I'm going to click on the pencil icon to edit. And there you go, Carlos Alcaraz, Rising Star, Chapter 1, Early Life Introduction, Subchapter, Childhood and Family Background. And look at this, we got a full ebook all about Carlos Alcaraz. And on this page, I can edit, I can change things, I can format, I can add text, delete text, and I can export it to a doc, copy to clipboard, or PDF. So there you go. In just under 10 minutes, I have a full ebook that's ready to sell and make some money.